Hi everyone, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. We are at Vela Khao Lak. So let me show you this beautiful resort in Khao Lak, Phang. Okay, welcome to Vela. I just checked in and this is the family room. After the door, just walk in and you can see there's a life-size mirror. And then over here there's a fridge. Okay, the freezer and a fridge. Here another area you can put your storage. Down here there's a mosquito coil. And over here you have a kettle, mineral water, tea, coffee, cups. Plate, wine opener, and a jar. Okay. Over here there's some wine glasses and some water glasses. So when you turn here, this is the reason why I call a family room, because you have a smaller bed and a bigger bed. Okay. Here, if not mistaken, you can actually pull. So you have some privacy. If I'm bringing my kids, most likely my kids will stay here and will stay here. I'm joking. The kids will stay here. I'll stay here because there's a huge balcony. Here they have the flat screen TV, nice audio system. Over here, that's the working desk with a nice mirror, so you can convert to like a makeup table or just a working table. Then you put it down like this. Here is the telephone, USB connector, power adapter, power points. Over here, these are the things that you can actually use, like ringlets. You can put the do not disturb sign on the door. Here you overlook the room, and somehow I miss the bathroom. So similar concept, the bathroom, it comes with a slider. Here it comes with a huge bathtub. This is really nice, easily fit 2 adults. Over here, that's a toilet with bidet. It's sanitized for our protection. And over here, the hand wash. Here you can control the lighting of the bathroom and bedroom. Multi-point power adapter. This is the sound. You can actually adjust it. Okay. 2 basin. This is very useful actually, especially if you travel with family. Here you have the hair dryer. Let's look at the standing shower. It's a rain shower. Yeah, that's really nice. It's from Grow Hair, so this is like high quality product. Shampoo, actually it's here. So you have 3 of them here. Like a huge bathtub. Let's go through the balcony. It's a sea view. Okay, so you have some hangers here just in case you go to the swimming pool. The common pool is the bottom. Okay, over here there's some sofa, you can chill and relax, and over here there's a kids pool, and it's just a walking distance to the beach area. That's the skating area, so it's pretty cool. It's quite packed today given it's after Songkran. So over here we have a multi power adapter. You have like a few settings over here, which is pretty cool. So this is like a few settings that you can control, and that's about it. So this is the Lavera family room, and I'm shooting this video using the Sony ZV1.